don't even know me. Now I've got a confession that I've got some aggression. I've got some aggression. I am here. Hear me scream. I'll blow your ears with my sex string. Call me boring and you get wasted. Got an axe to grind and I'm melting faces. Born into this universe, hauling mayhem in my hearse. Rolling souls in a deadly ghetto, brainy tattoo, all false metal. Like a land on an gnarly beast, scared by nothing in the least. Sound the trumpets, parents here, terrifying hot job here. I am here, hear me scream. I'll blow your ears with my sex string. Call me boring and you get wasted. Got an axe to grind and I'm melting faces. You can't keep me in this cage. Derision only fuels my rage. Fire falling from the skies. Molten death now is your prize. Blow your speakers, melt your face. Rock your butt with some bass. Iron will mixed with steel. Before fair you will live. You know, just because I like to read books and take naps doesn't mean that I'm boring. In fact, I'm totally metal. This song goes out to all those people that have ever been called boring, because you're not boring. You're metal too. This one's for you. Let's do this. I am here. Hear me scream. I'll blow your ears with my sex string. Call me boring and you get wasted. Got an axe to grind and I'm melting faces. I am here. Hear me scream. I'll blow your ears with my sex string. Call me boring and you get wasted. Got an axe to grind, sex string faces. I need a nap.